Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourself, Banking, and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to describe about Drive Your Dream with Bank of India, the special vehicle financing schemes offering affordable and flexible car loans. Introduction. Owning a dream vehicle has become more achievable with the latest Bank of India's special vehicle financing schemes designed in partnership with leading automobile manufacturers such as Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, and Tata Motors. These exclusive schemes offer attractive interest rates, minimal documentations, flexible margin requirements, and quick loan approvals, making vehicle ownership easier for salaried individuals, self-employed professionals, business owners, and eligible organizations. Whether you are planning to purchase your first family car, upgrade to a premium SUV, or buy an electric vehicle, these special financing offers provide significant savings through lower margins, competitive interest rates, and in selected cases, even 100% financing. Attractive interest rate starting from 7.60% per annum. One of the biggest highlights of the scheme is the competitive rate of interest, starting from 7.60% per annum, making it one of the attractive financing options available for eligible borrowers. A lower interest rate helps customers reduce the repeated monthly installments, making vehicle ownership more affordable over the loan tenure. The final applicable interest rate may vary depending on the applicant's credit profile, income, repayment capacity, and the bank's prevailing lending policies. Zero processing charges for high credit score customers. Another customer-friendly feature is the Nil Processing Charges benefit. Applicants having CIBIL score above 725 and -1 or zero credit status can avail zero processing charges, reducing the upfront cost of obtaining a vehicle loan. This incentive encourages customers to maintain a healthy credit profile while enjoying additional savings during loan processing. First approval with minimum documentation. The scheme emphasizes speed and convenience. Customers can expect faster loan sanction, simplified documentation, convenient processing, quick disbursement after completing eligibility formalities. This makes the loan suitable for customers who wish to take delivery of their vehicles without unnecessary delays. Exclusive manufacturer-wise financing schemes. Bank of India has entered into special arrangements with three major automobile manufacturers, each offering different benefits depending on the model and customer category. Mahindra Special Vehicle Finance Scheme. Validity period. The Mahindra scheme remains valid from 1st October 2025, 30th September 2026, allowing customers almost a full year to take advantage of this attractive financing term. Margin requirement for salaried customers. For salaried applicants purchasing Mahindra vehicles, the required margin is 5% of the on-road price. This uniform margin applies across all eligible loan limits. Margin requirement for non-salaried customers. Self-employed individuals and business owners are also required to contribute 5% of the on-road price, making the scheme equally attractive for both salaried and non-salaried borrowers. Big take-home pay NTHP requirement. The scheme prescribes repayment eligibility based on income, with 30% for customers having gross monthly income up to rupees 1 lakh, 25% for customers earning above rupees 1 lakh and up to rupees 5 lakh. This helps ensure comfortable repayment without excessive financial burden. Maruti Suzuki Special Finance Scheme. Validity. The Maruti Suzuki partnership remains valid until 8 July 2027, providing customers with an extended opportunity to avail these benefits. Margin for salaried customers. The required contribution depends on the vehicle model. For selected popular models including Swift, Desire, Brezza, the customer margin is only 5% on the on-road price. For all other eligible Maruti models, this 10% margin is applicable. Margin for non-salaried customers. For self-employed borrowers, the required margin is 10% of the on-road price across all eligible models. NTHP requirement. The current scheme updates does not explicitly specify make the compare NTHP requirements, and applicants may need to satisfy the bank's normal credit assessment norms. Tata Motors Special Vehicle Finance Scheme. Validity. The Tata Motors special arrangement remains valid until 8 July 2027. Margin for salaried customers. One of the biggest attractions of this scheme is the availability of 100% financing on selected vehicles. 0% margin, 100% finance, applicable for Nexon, Punch, and all electric vehicles EVs. For other models, that is 5% margin, applicable for Harrier, Tiago, Altroz, Carve, Sierra. Remaining eligible models require 10% margin. Margin for non-salaried customers. Business owners and self-employed customers can also enjoy 0% margin, 100% finance for Nexon, Punch, and electric vehicles, while 10% margin is applicable for all remaining eligible models. NTHP requirement. Unlike income-linked repayment conditions, Tata Motors financing specifies 30% NTHP requirement irrespective of income level, which simplifies the eligibility calculation. Understanding margin definition. Bank of India has clearly explained how margin is calculated. The margin includes basic price of the vehicle, road tax, insurance, and registration charges. However, it does not include the cost of accessories such as music system, seat covers, alloy wheels, body kits, or other optional additions. Customers planning to purchase accessories should therefore make separate financial arrangements for those expenses. Eligibility criteria. The scheme covers a wide range of customers categories. Salaried individuals. Eligible applicants include regular employees, Bank of India staff, individuals with CIBIL score of 700 and above or no previous credit history, subject to the bank's credit norms. Non-salaried individuals, self-employed professionals, businessmen, and other eligible applicants should possess income tax returns ITRs for at least 1 year. Personal CIBIL score of 700 or above to qualify under the scheme. Non-salaried exceptions. Certain manufacturer-specific relaxations are available. For Maruti Suzuki and Mahindra, applicants having 1 or 0 credit score eligibility may also be considered. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki may accept applicants with no previous credit history subject to the bank's internal assessment and policy guidelines. Non-individual entities, organizations, firms, and eligible businesses entities should possess an external credit rating of AAA, AA, and single A or triple B, or maintain a CRM or Equifax score of 5 or better based on the latest available report. Key advantages of the Bank of India Vehicle Loan Scheme. The scheme combines affordability with convenience through several customer-centric benefits. Some major highlights include attractive interest rates starting from 7.60% per annum, low margin requirements, 100% finance on selected Tata Motors vehicles, zero processing charges for eligible customers. Key advantages of the Bank of India Vehicle Loan Scheme. Quick approval process, easy documentations, faster loan disbursement, flexible financing options, trusted partnership with leading automobile manufacturers, suitable for salaried, self-employed professionals, businesses, and eligible organizations. These features significantly reduce the financial burden of purchasing a vehicle while ensuring a smooth borrowing experience. Who can benefit most from this scheme? The Bank of India Special Vehicle Financing Scheme is particularly beneficial for first-time buyers, salaried employees seeking affordable EMIs, self-employed individuals with stable income, business owners expanding their transportation needs, and customers interested in purchasing fuel-efficient or electric vehicles. The availability of lower margins and competitive financing allows borrowers to preserve their savings while still fulfilling their dream of owning a new vehicle. Conclusions. Bank of India's special vehicle financing schemes demonstrated a customer-focused approach by offering competitive interest rates, flexible margin requirements, quick processing, and exclusive partnerships with renowned automobile manufacturers. Whether purchasing a Mahindra SUV, a Maruti family car, or a Tata Motors passenger or electric vehicle, eligible customers can benefit from attractive financing options tailored to different needs and income profiles. Before applying, borrowers should carefully review the applicable terms, verify model-specific benefits, and assess their repayment capacity to make an informed financial decision. Disclaimer: this article is intended solely for informational and educational purposes based on the promotional details available. Loan eligibility, interest rates, processing charges, financing percentage, margin requirements, credit risk criteria, eligible vehicle models, and other terms are subject to the latest policies of Bank of India and may change without prior notice. Final approval of any vehicle loan is at the sole discretion of the bank after evaluating the applicant's creditworthiness, income repayment capacity, and compliance with applicants' applicable guidelines. Prospective borrowers are advised to contact their nearest Bank of India branch or authorized representative for the most up-to-date information before making any financial decision. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe, and share.